In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,800 in one day by selling digital products that I didn't even create myself. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I used to be a monk for 10 years. Now I help everyday men and women hit 6 or 7 figures online without having to work a job or answer to a boss. So long story short, I was working for this company for 5 years. They cut our pay in half. They only gave us a 3-week notice. So my income was cut in half. And that's when I decided I never would work a job again. And I went online to figure out how to make money. And that's when I discovered this blueprint. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how this system works. Okay. This is the same system I've used to make thousands of dollars. And it's the same system that I used to make $1,800 in one day. So how's that possible? Well, look at this page right here. This is my website, and the same website you get to use as well. So what we do is we sell these digital products, because if you want to make money online, you got to sell something, right? So we sell digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. There's 4 different programs here. These are programs in the e-learning industry. Launchpads for 100, passive daily pay for 300, digital masteries for 600, and the legacy builders for 900. 2 people went to my website and they purchased the legacy builders at 900. That's how I made $1,800 in one day. Okay. So what we're doing is we're building our email list. Okay. That's what we're doing here. Let me share that capture page right here. So so you get to use this sales funnel. Okay. When you launch your business, you get to use a sales funnel that looks like this. This is the capture page. You're capturing people's emails. You're building your email list, okay? And then once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. So they put their email in, and then they go here, they watch this video, okay? Thank you video. So this video is explaining how this business works. It's explaining the program. It's explaining the products. It's doing the selling for you. There's also these wins from our community, okay? Because we have a community of over 50,000 people reselling these programs. Well, it depends, because there's 3 different people that purchase one of these programs. One person is like a business owner. They just want to learn about digital marketing, so they purchase this program. The second buyer is someone who wants to learn how to create their own products, because we teach that, and how to market them. That's the second buyer. And the third buyer is someone who just wants to make money online. So they just want to purchase the program so they can resell the program and have their own business in a box. Okay. So those are the 3 types of buyers. I generally promote this to people that want to make money online, because there's like millions of people every single day that are searching for ways to make money online. So you got millions of customers out there. Okay. They watch this video, and then they watch this video. This video we send out emails. These videos are doing the selling for you. And when they're ready to buy, they click on this button and it takes them to your website. So you don't have to create these pages. These pages are already created for you. It would take you a lot of time or cost you thousands of dollars to create pages like this if you have no experience. That's what I love about this. It's beginner friendly. So by the way, every single online business on the planet, they do this kind of stuff. Okay. They have capture pages. They have sales funnels, websites to buy stuff. Pretty much every single online business on the planet does this. Okay. So you're going to be doing what every other entrepreneur on the planet is doing. Right? So they can go here, purchase a product, and you get paid through PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Okay, whatever payment processor you want to use. So I'm just going to show you what this website looks like real quick. You get to use this website. How would an extra $900 per day change your life? Imagine if you learned the skills we teach and you make $900 a day. That's $27,000 a month, $328,000 a year. In 3 years or less, you can be a millionaire. The first millionaire in our program made $1 million in 17 months, now over $7 million, based on not only selling these programs, but based on all the skills that she's learned from digital marketing in the past 2.5 years. And we have another person who's over $900,000. She'll probably make $1 million in the next month or 2. So we're going to have 2 7-figure income earners inside of our community, and we have over 100 6-figure income earners. So why not you? The only difference is they took action, launched their business, said yes, made a decision. That's the difference. We made $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. You become a certified reseller of these programs. There's a little training you go through. So you become a certified reseller. Okay, there's testimonial videos you can watch. And these videos are doing the selling for you. See my picture in my bio. You're going to put your picture here, your bio here, because it's branded to you. Now imagine if you could earn $900 per day in passive income, which is 2 hours of work. So what is that 2 hours of work? Well, we just post 3 pieces of content to social media and you can go live. Like right now, I'm creating content, right? I'm creating a video for YouTube. And this video that I'm creating right now, it's going to be out there working for me 24/7. See, Like you can launch this business and you can start a brand new YouTube channel and you can just start posting content for your business. And once you build your YouTube channel up, we have training for that. Once you build up your YouTube channel, not only are you promoting your business, but YouTube will pay you. Once you have enough subscribers on YouTube, then you become monetized. YouTube will pay you money just for posting videos, right? It's the best of both worlds. So people can go to your website, they purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, right? There's different options because people have different goals and dreams, just like you have different goals and dreams. So what are you going to learn in the programs? You can read it on the website. I'm not going to go into it. You can go to the website, sevenfiguremonk.com, and you can see what's inside each of the programs, okay? And then there's payment plans available as well, right? And then, yeah, I'm just showing you what the website looks like. So why is this perfect for you? This is perfect if you're looking for extra income, financial security, your job's not paying you enough. You want to work from anywhere. You want a reliable income stream. You want a flexible, family-friendly business. You can do this anywhere, anytime. You don't have to have an office. You can do it around your family, at home. You've tried other opportunities but struggled. You want something step-by-step and proven to work. This is step-by-step and proven to work. This is not for people who expect guaranteed results without effort, those unwilling to take action, people who don't want to be on video or create content, those who aren't coachable, people who want someone to do everything for them, people who lack basic tech skills and aren't willing to learn. Is basically copy and paste. You don't need super tech skills, so don't worry about that. Anyone who isn't willing to invest in their business. If you're not willing to just invest, then this is not for you. I don't think it's possible to get rich without investing. You got to invest, right? You got to spend your money on assets. Assets are things that can make you more money, okay? So this explains why this master resale rights, that's what we have. That's how we earn 100% profit. Why master resale rights is better than other business models, because we earn 100% profit. There's no middleman. We're not splitting commissions, very little risk, one-time investment, one sale and your business is free. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches because they're digital products, no shipping. Proven demand products. We've done $29 million in 10 months, proven to work. Affiliate commission. If you're doing affiliate marketing, tiny commissions, you're working for somebody else. Still drop shipping, there's low margins, high hassle. You got to do a lot of work with drop shipping. And most of these programs have monthly fees. We have 0 monthly fees. Okay. If you want to start your own offline business or business in general, it's probably going to cost you at least $50,000 to start. Network marketing. If you like network marketing, you don't own that business. Okay. And so many problems in the multi-level marketing industry these days. It's crazy. And you got to build teams and you earn small commissions and you got to pay monthly fees. So, yep, this is the business. And then you get bonuses. You get access to our community where we have live mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners. There's a community builders training, Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months, blueprint, 30-day market strategy, PDF growth plan, invisible empire, faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas. If you want to get started with this business, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs, pay $39 for your website. Okay, you purchase one of these, you pay $39, and then you're going to have instant access to your program, instant access to the community. Okay, so once you purchase the program and you're inside, it's going to look like this. Here's all your products. Here's the certification training, right? You go through this training, you watch these videos. Okay, that's what the product is. It's the information, it's the education. The education is the product. Okay, the training is the product. Plus, you get a business in a box. Plus, you get mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners in our community. Okay, that's all of it. Once you purchase a program, go inside and click to get started. Okay, one of the first things you got to do, you just watch this. This is gonna like show you how everything works because you're brand new. And once like it'll take a week or two to get used to the business, but once you get used to it, it's really simple. I post content, I go live, I reply to messages, I reply to emails, and I go through some training in the program or in the community. That's all I do to build my business. You need 1 to 2 hours a day, but you got to commit. You got to be consistent. You got to be coachable and you got to be consistent. So set up your website. So you got to set up your website, get a domain, you get a professional email address. Okay. You set up your payment processors. What you're setting up is this. You're setting up these pages. Okay. Because if you don't set up the pages, you can't receive payments. If you don't have your website set up, you can't receive payments. You set it up one time and it's working for you for the rest of your life. A one-time setup in a few hours. If you don't want to set it up yourself, we have tech done for you services. They will set it up for you. You just got to connect your domain to your system. Like you just follow the steps and you just get it set up. Okay. It's going to show you how to set up this thing. Basically, you're watching videos, copying and pasting information. That's pretty much what you're doing to set up the business. After you get your business set up, you're in business. Congratulations. You've launched your business. Now here's a launch kit for your online business. This shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You watch these videos, get your first sale, then go through the rest of the trainings. empire, marketing, social media, discovery method, how to find and attract your customers, mastering storytelling. You just go through all the training over time. You're not going to finish all in one day. I've been in the program for a year and I still haven't finished all the training. There's live mentoring and extra trainings in our community. The more you learn, the more you earn. So it's important to go through the training. Let's go inside a community. That's not that. Let's go here. Here's our community right here. We have 55,000 members. Oh, we have a training today. I forgot. I forgot that we have a training today. I forgot that was Tuesday. So yeah, here's our community. Here's our classroom, getting started training and recorded trainings, social media content vault, calendar. This shows live calls. Once inside a community, introduce yourself, share wins, ask questions. Let's go to the win section. I'm going to show you proof people are making money. New to digital marketing, I made my first $100 sale. Brand new, they just made their first sale. My first sale, wow, $300. I'm so hyped up. Jessica made $2,700 in one day. 3 sales of legacy. That's what you can do with this business. $900 sales. She upgraded to the high level. Another $900 day. She's made $110,000 since starting in 2023. Certified, $2,700 in 5 days. Ended July with $6,600. And that's just one page. There's 30 posts on each page and 30,000 pages of wins. Now you just got to make a decision. Do you want to continue to be overworked and underpaid? Or do you want to launch your own online business and make thousands or millions over time? Of course, I'm not saying overnight. To get started, if you like what you see and you're ready to just purchase one of the programs, pay $39 for your website. All you're doing is posting content every day, okay? You get your business set up and you're following the 2-hour workday. So what we do is we post content. That's what we do. So look at on my YouTube channel. Like right now, this is a long form video that I'm creating right now, okay? A long form video is a video over 10 minutes, right? So that's what I'm creating right now. And I'm going to post it to my YouTube channel. And I have long form videos and shorts. Talking videos are very easy. You can do faceless, you can do words on the screen. I do all these different videos, test stuff out, and whatever works, I do more of it. The cool thing on YouTube, you can also post written content. I really like YouTube. It's my favorite platform, but you can use any platforms. I also use TikTok. I go live on YouTube and I TikTok. See how my live replays are saved and recorded? You just post content every day and go live. You master content, you're rich. That's already been proven by so many people. It's proven, master creating content on social media, you become rich. So many people have already done that. So if you're ready to get started, go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. Put in your best email. You can get started at any time. If you have questions, just reply to my emails and you can unsubscribe at any time. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments because I'm here to help you, become successful. So make sure to like this video, share this video with someone you know. If you know someone who's like working 40+ hours a week, they're overworked, they're underpaid, they're stressed out financially, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. God bless.